Greetings to you all, dear children. Welcome to Standard 8th English class. In today's class, let's see about the PROS Unit 7 lesson Cyber Safety. First, let me read the full lesson followed by the explanation. One day, Gladden asked his mother, "Mom, do you know how a screw cage works?" "No, son. Let us browse about it in internet." "Oh, can we find it in internet?" "Yes, son. Internet is a great tool where you can gather information to gain knowledge." "Here it is. Thank you, Mom." Where are the kids Gladden and Rani? Gladden is gathering information in internet for his science project. Good. Hey, Rani seems to be frightened of something. Oh, what happened all of a sudden? Is anybody threatening her online? Threatening online? Are you suspecting any online predator? Oh, goodness. Let me call her. Rani, come here, dear. My dear, what happened? You seems dull. No, Dad, I'm okay. Don't worry, I'm here to help you. Tell me now, how can I help you? I'm really scared. Oh no, what if he comes home? Who? Any of your online friends? Yes, he chats every day. He knows my name, address, age, everything. Nowadays, he uses bad words. He also told me that if I discuss about the chat to anyone else, he will cause harm to my family members. Don't respond to his message, even if he continuously disturbs you. After some days, he may not chat. Still, if he bothers you, I will take care of him by talking to his parents, or I will report to the cyber police. Don't worry, my dear. Thank you very much, Dad. Dear, please advise the children how to use internet wisely. Fine, call Gladden. Children, online facilities are on sharing among known members. Never chat with anybody unless you know them, like classmates, friends, family members, etc. Okay, Dad. Keep your personal details like photos, phone numbers, Aadhaar number, interests very private. Why so? Strangers may use your profile and misuse your information without your knowledge. Internet or mobile helps us to connect with people around the world. Allow us to watch movies, listen to music, play games, and enjoy various other activities. There is a chance to get addicted to this powerhouse of entertainment. Dear, tell them what happens if someone is addicted to it. Mobile addiction causes several serious problems such as headache, weakened eyesight, sleep disorders, depression, stress, social isolation, aggressive behavior, financial problems, ruined relationship, and no or low professional growth. Oh, we can't ignore the benefits of internet and mobile phone to our life, educationally and socially. But we must limit their usage to take charge of our lives. Sure, Dad, too much of anything is good for nothing. Right, Mom? Children, now let's see the explanation of the prose lesson Cyber Safety. As you all know that computers are mobile phones and the most important device in our day-to-day lives. This lesson, Cyber Safety, talks about the risk and threat on internet and the safety measure to avoid them. Dear children, do you use internet? For what purpose do you use internet? For playing video games? For chatting with your friends online? Have you ever chatted with other people online? I mean unknown person? Do you think it is safe? And do you know what is cyber safety? Cyber safety is the safe and responsible use of information and communication technologies. It is about keeping information safe and secure. This lesson, the cyber safety, is about the technology of the present world, its benefit and negative aspects. This prose, Cyber Safety, is presented in a comic script where you can take characters and speak. Before going into the lesson, let's see the art words and its meanings. Screw gauge, measuring tool, Tirugumani. Browse, to scan, to casually look through in order to find items of interest. May. Frightened, scared, bayandu. Online predator, someone who sexually exploits a child over the internet. Surayadubavan. Bother, to disturb or annoy. Tollai. Cyber, relating to or characteristics of culture of computers, information technology and virtual reality. Inaya. Aggressive, prone to behave in a way that involves attacking or arguing. Valiye Takudal. So children, these are the art words and its meaning from the lesson Cyber Safety. Now let us see the prose Cyber Safety. One day, Gladden asked his mother about the working of screw gauge. Screw gauge means measuring tool. She advised him to browse about them in the internet. Gladden asked his mother, "Can we find it in the internet?" His mother replied him that internet is a great tool, rare that anyone can gather information to gain their knowledge. Gladden thanked his mother for her reply. Now he was happy because he got it exactly what he wants from the net. Gladden's father asked, "Where are the kids, Gladden and Rani?" Her mother replied, "Gladden is gathering information from the internet for his science project." Since Gladden asked his mother for doubts, she could not help him out, so she guided him to browse the internet. But Rani was frightened of something. His father replied, "Oh, what happened? Is anybody threatening her online?" Now the mother asked him a question. "Are you suspecting anyone online predator?" Oh goodness! The mother was shocked on hearing this. Children, do you know about online predators? It means someone who has sexually exploited a child over internet. I repeat, someone who sexually exploits a child over internet. Now Rani's father calls Rani and started enquiring her. Dear, what happened? You seems dull. For his father's question, Rani replied, No, Dad, I'm okay. Don't worry, I'm here to help you. Tell me now, how can I help you? Her father questioned her. The girl opens her mind and says that she is really scared of an unknown guy. He used to chat every day and knows the girl's name, address, age, and everything about her. Here she talks about the stranger with whom she chatted all these days. Rani informed her father that someone chatted with her and used bad words. He also warns her not to discuss about the chat with anyone else in her family, otherwise he could cause harm to her family members. Her father advised her not to respond to any of his messages. After some days, he would not chat. If the person bothered further, father said he would report to the cyber police. Now the girl thanked her father for his good advice. Her mother advised her husband, Dear, please do advise our children how to use internet wisely. Father started advising her children by giving important points. Online facilities are for sharing among known members. Never chat with anybody until you know them, like classmates, friends, family members, etc. Father advised that you should keep your personal details like photos, phone numbers, Aadhaar numbers very private. His son, Gladden, asked his father, Why, Dad? For his question, he replied, That stranger may use his profile and misuse their profile without their knowledge. Internet or mobile help us to connect with people around the world, allow us to watch videos, listen to music, play games, and enjoy various other activities. Nowadays, there are a lot of technologies for to misuse our things. So, children, you should be very careful with our personal details. Father also advised the children that they should not get addicted to the powerhouse of entertainment. I repeat, they should not get addicted to the powerhouse of entertainment. The mother asked them, Dear, tell them what happens if someone is addicted to it. Father replied, Yes, a good question, my dear. Mobile addiction causes sexual serious problems such as sleep disorders, headaches, weakened eyesight, depression, stress, social isolation, and financial problems. Children, do you know what is weakened eyesight? Continuously watching of the monitor for a long time without blinking. So the liquid in the eyes get tired of, so the result is weakened eyesight. This weakened eyesight causes stress, depression, etc. Finally, the father also told them that we cannot ignore the beneficial of the internet and mobile phone to our life educationally and socially. But we must limit their usage to take charge of our lives. Finally, her mother also replied that too much of anything is good for nothing. So, dear children, I conclude this lesson, cyber safety, by advising you that the internet can be a wonderful place for learning, shopping, playing games, and talking to our friends. But unfortunately, there are also predators who may harm you. In order to be safety online, it is important for you to be aware of its danger. You must limit its usage to take charge of your lives. So the main theme, too much of anything is good for nothing. I repeat, the main theme of this lesson is too much of anything is good for nothing. That's all for today's class, children. Thank you and have a great day ahead.